Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I'm using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Can I ask you something? How many online videos did you watch this week? 10? 20? 100? Well, you're not alone. That's actually the average according to YouTube. And the number just keeps getting higher and higher. People are watching videos every single day for hours. And in just a minute, I'm going to show you how we use this new video craze to make money like this, and like this, and like this, without ever recording a video ourselves and without editing anything. In fact, we are making way more money than any YouTuber who is working 15 hours a day making videos. And we only work, at best, a few minutes a day. That's it. You see, just recently, YouTube secretly introduced an AI engine that controls the entire platform. It decides what videos get views and what videos go viral. And people are really struggling with it. But not us, my friend. Do you know why? Because we found a way to manipulate their AI engine and allows us to send any video we want viral. In fact, with just a few clicks, we can send, on average, 300,000 views to any video we want, without paying for ads and without waiting for days or weeks. And those are not just random or fake views, no. Those are highly targeted views that convert into high-paying customers for us. All that we do is use VERTEX to exploit YouTube's new AI engine to make any video we want viral. We get tens of thousands of clicks to anything we want to promote thanks to VERTEX. Pretty cool, huh? All of that takes less than 40 seconds. That's it. We just do 40 seconds of work a day, and then VERTEX does all of the work for us on complete autopilot. You don't need to learn anything, you don't need to buy any expensive app, and you don't need to spend your day tied to your laptop working. VERTEX eliminates all of that. You can use VERTEX from anywhere in the world, whether it's your bedroom or from the beach. You can set up your campaigns from your laptop, PC, mobile, or even your iPad. And remember, each campaign takes less than 40 seconds. Take a look at this. While I'm recording this video for you, I made $496.35 in commissions. That's just money I made in the past 20 minutes or so while recording this message for you. VERTEX gives me the freedom to do whatever I want in life and still make money. It works for anyone: affiliate marketers, product owners, coaches, service providers, e-com store owners, and more. Hey, my name is Venkata, and on behalf of my team, we are happy to introduce you to VERTEX. the world's first AI app that legally manipulates YouTube's results by exploiting their AI engine. With VERTEX, you don't need any previous experience and you don't need to do any technical setup. I'm sure by now you're wondering, how much is this going to cost me? If we decided to charge you the fair price for VERTEX, it will be at least $997 per month. And even at this price, it's still a no-brainer. Our average users made that money back in just a couple of days. But here's the thing, $997 a month is a big commitment, especially for someone who is just getting started. And the whole purpose of creating VERTEX was to make it accessible to the people who need it the most. So with that in mind, for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to VERTEX for a fraction of the price. Less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running VERTEX. But you must be quick. There is no point in selling VERTEX if it doesn't produce the results we promise. And in order to do that, we put in a lot of support for each new member. The good news is, we take each new member by hand until they get results. The bad news is, we can't do that for unlimited people. After all, we are humans too, so after we hit our limit, we are raising the price again to $997 per month. After that, there is no going back. So if you can still see the buy button below, don't wait. You might not get this chance ever again. Listen. Right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use VERTEX for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. We will refund every penny you paid within 24 hours. Worst case scenario, you get VERTEX and don't make any money. You get all of your money back, no questions. Click the button below and get instant access to VERTEX, plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $13,345. I'll see you inside.